starts going. We have other ma'am with us. She has joined us and taken out time from her very busy schedule.
Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, how are you? Wait,
How are you? All good, all good. How are you?
So that I get shorter. Hear myself. Hi. What's up?
Hi, thank you so much for joining us. We know you have a super busy schedule, but we want to know about your amazing journey, and I have a lot of questions for you.
Go, shoot. Ask me all.
Yes. So first I want to ask you that, how did you get into the acting? Like, what is it that drove you to this amazing performing art?
I have actually, I can hear myself. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Uh, can I hear myself? Yeah, I can still hear myself. So there's like,
Okay, I'll do
uh,
one thing.
it's
I'll
like a,
connect my earphones. I think it'll be better then. Yeah?
now I know what people feel like. Oh my God.
Okay, I think that's because our devices are both not connected to any earphones. I'll just
I don't
fix that
hear
in a
phone.
second. Yeah. I am ready. I really need to talk to you and understand this beautiful. We have talked to you
Yes.
everywhere. We have seen your YouTube. We have seen your
Now I
Instagram.
can't hear you only. Oh no.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. And I can't hear myself.
Yeah.
So we're good.
Oh, okay, all right.
So we just, yeah, one of others.
Okay. So yeah, tell us more about your journey. We have already stalked you on your YouTube, your Instagram, and we have more questions from your upcoming projects. But
Yes.
first, we want to understand how did you get to this journey of acting?
Well, I finished my 10th and I was like, I want to be an actress. I don't know why. Honestly, I don't have an honest answer to that. Uh,
Yeah.
it wasn't a story where I was sitting in a coffee shop and somebody spotted me. That didn't happen. I wish it would have. Neither did my parents tell me I was very beautiful, so I should join acting. That didn't happen either. None of my friends called me for their auditions, so I could go with them and then be spotted there either. So yeah, I took a portfolio and I sent my pictures out, and I went for a lot of auditions, got it rejected a lot, and 1920 was an audition that I actually got selected for, but they thought my look wasn't right. So they sort of rejected me because they wanted a girl who looks not Indian was their look. I mean, the brief is she's Anglo-Indian.
Right.
Then they did a look test because they liked the audition of my scary acting, and with the look test they did those lips and the eyebrows and all of that. So then they felt that I'd pass off as Lisa from the 1920s, and I got my first
Yeah.
movie.
Wow. We did mention that you also got nominated for best female debut for that particular movie, and
Yes.
there were so many critics who looked at your performance as exemplary, and I think that's very amazing. And you are being so candid and honest with us about your journey. I think that's quite remarkable and commendable. Thank you so
Thank,
much for providing such insights. All
thank
students out here are looking to understand from you what the industry is like.
It's just like the world. It's a scary place. But I mean, it's exactly like the world. You meet some really nice people and you meet some really terrible people, and then you can choose whether you want to be nice or not. And I hope I've chosen right, and I hope I've chosen well. I think your choices also reflect on how happy you're going to be. So for me, happiness is a very important thing. It's like here with right on the top with all the other choices and all the other things below. So for me, if I'm happy, that's the most important. So yeah, and as far as critics, yes, I think the critics and audience were both very kind when my first film released. And for me, I've always said like more than awards, it is what the audience feel when they watch a film that you've done. Um, whether it is whether it's any work that you've done actually, an ad commercial. As artists, we're all hungry for validation. Uh, we don't make. I mean, I'm not making a video for myself. I'm always making stuff for people to like to enjoy. So if someone's
Right.
liked my work, and especially my first film, means a lot. When I did it, I told myself that I want people to watch it and say it doesn't look like her first film. I didn't want those, for her first film, she's acted okay. I didn't want that. I want people to be like, oh, it doesn't look like her first film. So, yeah, and I think it helped that I had no clue about anything when I did 1920. So, when they say climb the wall or jump around, I was like yes to everything that I was asked. That's sometimes good when you don't know too much.
That's great. We also know that you are a gymnast and you're absolutely into your fitness routines, and we've seen all your amazing yoga stunts. So tell us more about your journey through movement. You're also a dancer. So tell us a little bit about that.
I've been dancing and doing gymnastics since I was a child. Um, I think that kind of gets into your body language, and now learning new dance forms becomes easier. It helps as an actor also if your body language has dance in it. Though for some roles you have to unlearn it because you can't be in perfect body language at all times. Like for 1920, I have to not think of myself as being the dancer me. So things like that. But for me, I think it helps if you're a dancer. Nowadays, as an actor, you have to know everything. No, you have to be able to dance and sing and
Yeah.
fly and swim and jump off buildings and do. I mean, with harnesses and do
Right, right.
everything. So yeah, it always helps if you know some special skills.
That's great. That's great. I think that the way you're telling us a lot about your journey, I really want to jump into your upcoming project and a project that's already out there. I have pinned it in the comment. People are asking me what it's all about. You have to tell us about your amazing dance video and music video that is out there with Akul and Asta ma'am. You've done Drunken High. We need to know a lot about that.
So there's Mello, Astha, Akul, and me. And Drunk and High is just released. We're actually promoting that here. So
Oh,
um,
wow.
so yeah, so Drunk and High. When I was offered it, I know a lot of people follow me and get really inspired by the stuff I do, and I like people to know how I am in real life. Which is people know I'm not a very social person. They also know, like you said, I do a lot of dance and gymnastics and stuff. I don't consume alcohol in real life. So doing a song like
Right,
Drunk, the first thing I told them was I don't want to be endorsing drinking when I don't drink.
right, right.
So if you watch the song and you see every time I have a drink in my hand, I chuck it out. Uh,
Yeah,
I just feel like I don't know. I know you're a character in a music video and a movie, and in a movie, of course, I can't choose the stuff my character does. But in a music video, I feel there's a fine line between your real life self and the character you're playing. So I just thought it was, I don't want to be drinking alcohol in the song. So I said this to them, and they were very cool about it. They were like, yeah, totally. So I don't I don't drink at all. I don't get high, and I'm doing a song called Drunk and High. So watch it. I want people to know that they can party and be happy and enjoy the party, and you don't need external
necessarily drink.
intoxication to do that.
Right.
So yeah,
We can already see that your energy is in that high. You don't need
yes,
anything to be out there. You're hilarious. You're beautiful. You're energetic. I think you don't need anything to help you accelerate that. So it's really good. We have seen you in your element in the end of the video where you absolutely chuck the alcohol out of your glass. That's
that's neat.
absolutely cute and funny to watch.
Video
Yeah.
also. Yeah. So yeah, I thought that would be a nice fun thing to add. I also thought the lyrics of the song were sweet, if I may say, for a Sharab song. I think they were really nice. They were not creepy or
Yeah,
you know,
not
not a
all
creep.
malicious, very fun and party
Yeah,
loving.
it's very fun. That's another thing when I said yes to the song. That's another thing I saw. The lyrics were very like in a fun party zone. It wasn't in a creepy, sleazy Sharab.
Right, right, right,
So,
right.
yeah. So
I am
yeah,
sure your fans have been listening to it on repeat. But if you wanna drop that link in your bio, it's going to be amazing.
yeah.
And
Go
you
watch
can tell
that.
us a little bit more.
Who's not watched it? Yeah.
So, what would you like us to do? We have watched the song. We love it. We keep listening to it, but we want to post something for you. So, what can we do? How can we tag you? How can we do that?
So you
What would
can.
you like us to do?
People have tagged me and posted the hook step. You can hear the piti jaungi. So that ek haath mein sharab, that part piya mere saath. That part is nice. Drunk, thoda sa mein high, thodi si drunk. So when you put up your videos tag me. Sometimes I don't repost because there's too much and I don't know what to do. But
Right, right.
please tag me and I will find you and I will repost all your videos of the hook step on my stories.
That's amazing. All of you guys here, come on. We need to spam the entire video with our amazing comments, our
Yeah, go
amazing
spam
hipsters.
Radha Sharma's page.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Positively spam her page. She's beautiful. She's amazing. She's so adorable. Ma'am, before, I don't want to take up a lot of your time, but before you go, just tell us something, all these actors and dancers out there, something for them.
People who want to be actors and dancers. Yeah, I think they would know it's a lot of mehnat. What you see out there and that one little take, no, might be the best shot that you've seen, but to get that right shot, you do it like a million times. And this is anybody, because whether you're really popular or a rank newcomer, nowadays on social media, everyone's competing with everyone, no, which is another good thing. You get an opportunity to compete with the best, but so yeah, I think when you're making stuff, just try to better what you did last. That's how I think of it, and I always try to do that with everything I do. Like even if it's action and I'm learning, say the silambam with one stick, then I try to do it with two. Then once I get a specific rotation, I try it with more. So yeah, I think you should keep trying to up it and better whatever you can do. And thank you for all the hearts that you guys are sending on the side. I'm just
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Ada ma'am, for being here with us today.
so much.
It
Thank
was a
you.
beautiful journey. We wish to see you offline, and you can definitely go check out the Mittywood Film Festival. It's live streaming right now
I'm
and
gonna go
tomorrow
check.
as well.
Tomorrow I'm going to. Send us all your videos, huh, guys, of the hook step.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll make sure everybody's tagging you. I'm gonna make the entire core team do it,
Yeah, I
and
would.
they have to tag you for sure.
Yeah, totally.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much. See
much.
you.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
See you.
Bye.